Hello and welcome to part 2 of the building log of the pilot boat, the SLEC vintage model boats pilot boat. And as you can now see, it's got this is a superstructure, and this has got its cabin roof fitted and the engine roof fitted, and also the front part here. And now I've got to trim this section back along here, down here, over here, down there, and the windscreen has got to be trimmed back there. The roof of the cabin stays with the overhang slightly around there, and there will be a slight overhang all the way along here and around the front. If I turn it over, you can see the construction of it a little bit more clearly, perhaps, with these pieces fitted in. And it's a very stiff structure because the adhesive I use is called Titebond 2, which is a highly water resistant adhesive, and it's got a good tack as well. So although you have to pull it together with clips and cramps and things like that, it actually initially has a very good tack. So that's it so far. And turn it over again, you can see the side profile. Back in again, sorry about the noise. Whoop. Yes, so you can see it's coming along quite nicely, and that's what it looks like from the back. And then that will be attached to a substructure, which then the whole thing drops onto the hull, and we'll see that in part 3. Thank you for watching.